Hey there. Here's a quick video to show you how to reset your YouTube recommendations, just in case you've watched videos you're no longer interested in. This method will help you start fresh so your YouTube homepage shows better, more relevant suggestions. First, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of YouTube. Now go to Your Data in YouTube. Scroll down until you find the YouTube Watch History section, then click on it. Scroll down a bit more, and you'll see Manage History. Click on that. This is where you can clear your watch history. You'll see options to delete today's history, a custom date range, or all time. To fully reset your recommendations, I suggest choosing Delete All Time. This gives you a clean slate, like starting with a brand new YouTube account. After that, as you watch new videos, YouTube will begin recommending content based on your new interests. And that's it. Quick and simple. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. My name is James, and I'll see you in the next video.